In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that you have no signal here on your Xiaomi TV. Okay, for the first of all, we can check is if we have selected the wrong input. Okay, I have here like this button. So you see this button, this is the input button with the arrow to the right. So when you click on this button, here we can select like live TV or like the home menu or like HDMI and something else. And here make sure that you select the right thing. So if you want HDMI 2, then select HDMI 2. So this is really important. So when you have like HDMI 2 and there you have like connected something like a Fire TV stick or other things, then check if you have to turn on the device before. So sometimes like by a Fire TV stick you have to turn on the Fire TV stick before and then you get a signal. So this is also really important that you here select the right thing. Okay, and then for the next step we can go here on the home menu, and for the next step I recommend to unplug the HDMI device, then clean like the cable, clean like the HDMI port and something. And sometimes this also helps to fix the problem if you have no signal there. Okay, and if you have like cable or antenna TV, then also make sure that you clean the cables, and sometimes the cable get broken after years or something, and then you maybe have to check for a new cable or something. Okay, and what I also recommend is if you have like connected other things like a soundbar or other HDMI devices or something else in your TV, then maybe try to plug them out, because sometimes these other devices can block the signal or something. So what we want to do is to fully close, close, to fully unplug everything, and sometimes this helps to fix the no signal problem. What I also recommend is that you can try to turn off the TV and then unplug the whole TV. So and then wait like 2 to 5 minutes and then plug it in again. This is only to fully reset your TV, and sometimes this also helps to fix the problem. So and what you also can do is when you go here from the home to the right into the quick settings, then we can go here on all settings now. So and here on all settings we can go on channels and inputs. And if you have like no signal here on the channel, then go on the channel scanner here and then do a new scan. And what you also can do is if we have like LCN here, so when we do a channel scan, then we can sometimes turn off LCN. And here make sure that you turn this off. So I finish this now here because I want to go to the next step here. Okay, so like this. It is really important that you turn off LCN. And here also on inputs, make sure that you go on your input and here make sure that show this input is turned on and pin lock is disabled. So this is really important. Okay, and then what we also can do, what I recommend is that we go here on system and here on about, and here on about we can do a system update, so try this. And what we also can do is that we restart the TV, and after that your no signal problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.